Hey budgeters, so today we are doing bring my mom to Dollar Tree for the first time. And so I try to spread the tips onto you guys to get some deals, but I figured why not introduce my own mom to the Dollar Tree since she's never been inside of a Dollar Tree. And I think she's missing out. So I'm giving her 5 categories to find an item that fits those categories, and we'll get her first impression, we'll get her last impression, we'll get her haul. So I think it should be a good video, so we'll see. Stay tuned. So we're gonna do this in the style of a challenge, and we'll see if it can take off. If it does, great. If it doesn't, that's okay too, because I think my mom and I are gonna have a good time. So the 5 categories are as follows. 1, something you can organize with. 2, something you can give as a gift. 3, something you can decorate with. 4, something you can eat. That one might be challenging. And then lastly, 5, mom's choice, or person's choice, whatever she wants. So we'll see how she does in this little first time Dollar Tree challenge. There she is. She's joining us for this challenge. Why don't you go to the dollar stores?
Because I think it's crappy stuff.
Okay. Here
Let's go see.
Oh! What are you gonna get?
A sympathy card.
Oh, okay. Happy birthday to my husband and the head of the house. With lots of love from the CEO, chairman of the board, and president.
That's me.
Ma, how many cards do you think we have in there right now?
I think like over 10.
Oh my god. So that's not your something to eat.
Not, I might have a bite.
Alright, so we just got back from the Dollar Tree. Let's break down these 5 categories and see what we got. So for starters, I got this cinnamon applesauce from the Dollar Tree. It looks like it's one of their brands. I don't recognize this brand. I have an idea for a future video. I want to do a comparison between Dollar Tree foods and foods you would find at the regular store with name brand things. So if you like that idea, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And what did you get?
I got the key lime pie, which I gave to my husband, and we will go to the clip for that.
What did you think, Dad?
It was okay.
Oh, it's frozen. Are you supposed to be frozen? Or were you supposed to let it defrost?
Supposed to let it defrost, I think.
Oh, but was it good?
It's okay, yeah.
Looks like a little cheesecake.
Let's
Show
take
the
a picture. Show the people.
Show the people.
Oh, it does kind of look good.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a cheesecake.
Huh. It does look frozen though.
Take a
Yeah,
bite,
a little
then. Ooh, that's a big bite.
So for this next category, it sounds like you wouldn't be able to find anything to give at the Dollar Tree, but they actually had a really nice card selection, way cheaper than you can find it at other places, and they were name brand cards. So we kind of stocked up. We spent more than $1 in this category. It's the perfect time of year though, with weddings, baby showers, bridal showers, baptisms, graduations, etc. They just have all of the cards by Hallmark. And you got the same thing, right?
Same thing. That's 2 thumbs up.
All right, so the next category was organizing, and I already have a lot of their organizing essentials, but there were a couple of things that I found there. So I'll do a unique item that my mom did not get, and they had Rubbermaid storage containers for food. So some people like to use these for regular food storage. I like to use them for when we collect food from my boyfriend's mom. She always tells us to bring Tupperware, so I stocked up so we can go and get some really good cooked food, some leftovers. And then we both got the same item, which was new to the Dollar Tree. This is a new size. What did we get?
We got storage containers.
And these are good for like the cube bookshelves. I'll probably put a clip here of how they fit inside of typical cube bookshelf storage, but only $1.
And they had them in different colors, not just this.
Yes. Oh yeah, they had some bright coral colors.
Yep, they had gray,
neon,
black.
All right, so for this next category, it was decor, which looking back, if you're going to do this Dollar Tree challenge, maybe don't do the decor one. Maybe instead do like a cleaning supply or something, because while the Dollar Tree has a lot of things that you can transform into decor, buying one thing only could make it difficult to find something nice for your home. So I'll get started with mine. I actually got 2 of these hurricane vases, and they're pretty tall. I think they're definitely good for $1. And the idea I'm gonna go with is I'm going to get split peas. I'm gonna fill it up, and then I'm gonna place this Dollar Tree white candle in it as, again, decor. I'm probably not gonna light it. And I think it'll look really nice on a dining room table. So I got a few of these, and I'll have to get peas from the grocery store because they didn't have any, but this did cost a few dollars. This was not just a $1 decor piece. And that idea came from, I believe, the Latina next door, and I'll link her below, and if I'm wrong, I'll link whoever it is below. What did you get?
I got this picture frame of a seahorse because I plan on redoing our bathroom, and seeing as how the seahorse kind of represents we live by the water, so I went with this. He's a little cutie.
All right, so our last category was mom's pick or my pick or whatever, person's pick. So I picked a lot of things, but I have these items for an upcoming DIY. Again, like, comment, subscribe if you're interested to see what I can do with these things for a party decor idea. But also I wanted to bring to your attention that they have like house things. So this is sandpaper that I got, and I got this scraper tool for a project that we're working on right now at the house. What did you get?
I got Reese's peanut butter cups because when I go to the store, I like to bring back the kids a treat. I got a mug for my son who's graduating. And I got envelopes because I need these for some mail I need to send out. For $1, you get 6.
All right, so let's see mom's final thoughts. This was her first time at the Dollar Tree. Would you go back?
I would for certain items. I would definitely go back for the cards. I would definitely go back for some of the storage.
So how often do you think you'd go back to the Dollar Tree?
Well, I have a birthday about every month, so probably once a month would be good for me.
Are you happy I introduced you to the Dollar Tree?
Yes.
And
It was a little dirty in here. I'm not gonna lie.
that's okay.
The rug really needed cleaning. I don't know. I saw this part. But you can get some things in there when you're on a budget. So, I would recommend if you can go to the dollar store, then go to the dollar store. Okay.
All right, guys, so that concludes mom's first time at the Dollar Tree and the 5 things Dollar Tree challenge that I'm starting or hoping takes off. Really, it's just a way to get people into the Dollar Tree to save their money on products that they probably would buy anyway at another place for a lot more money. So if you like this kind of video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for more things like this. And follow me on Instagram at Beating the Budget. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Would you purchase it again?
It was $1.
Maybe, I don't know.
If you were at the Dollar Tree, you would?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's
If I was looking for a snack.
it's not tasteless, right?
No.
Okay. How's the crust?
What?
Is it like the crust I make?
No.
Oh. You want a napkin? You're making a little mess there.
No.
Here you go.
All right, Mom, you know what's going on today, so give us your first impression, or why have you never been to the Dollar Tree before? I'm gonna get these.
Oh, Pop-Tarts?
Pop-Tarts. Pop-Tarts. What did you get to eat, Ma?
I got key lime pie
Okay.
to give to my piece of pie. Okay.
Again.
So now what do we have to get?
Food.
All right. Let's head there.